you know, do it like that. By the way, there is an extended version of this video available over on Patreon with more detail, more footage, and more explanation of my process. I also post occasional behind-the-scenes updates over there, so if you're interested, there is a link down in the video description. You paid all that money for a saw stop and you're still using a trap saw? Idiot. Well, saw stop forgot to include the ability for me to lift a full sheet of 3/4 plywood, so I guess I gotta call them about that. Can't do that with a contractor saw.
Wow, these are fantastic. So the first bin I made was just a mock-up. I actually wanted these out of steel. So I contacted the group at OSH Cut. They're the same people who laser cut the aluminum base for my robot. And they helped me to fabricate these beauties. And I've got to tell you, OSH Cut's website is so easy and intuitive. If you want to prototype something like this, you just upload your file, choose your material, and it instantly gives you a quote. You don't even have to sign up for an account first. Plus, they've recently added bending services, so it was super easy to include these flanges. You just select the lines in your file where you want the bends, input your bend angle, and it gives you a complete 3D representation of your part. It even shows you an animation of the bending process. I am a big fan of OSH Cut, so I highly recommend if you want to have some parts cut like this, or if you want to prototype something, or if you just want to play with the interface, follow the link down in the description and give it a try. I was tweaking the design last night, and well, I've decided I want to put some little number plates on the fronts of these bins that I'm making. And well, I could have just had OSH cut the necessary rivet holes for me if I had thought of this before, but well, I didn't. So I have fashioned myself a nifty little drilling jig. I have a separate video on how I make plates like this one. I'll link to it down in the video description. These bends looked so good. They're clean. The bends worked perfectly. They turned out even better than I imagined them. Thank you so much to OSH Cut for sponsoring this video. Be sure to visit their website. The link is in the video description. Also, don't forget, there's an extended version of this video with a lot more detail available over on Patreon. That link is also in the video description. Thank you guys for sticking around. I know it's been a while since I've posted, but I promise there is going to be another project again real soon. Oh, it's jammed. Oh, it's actually really jammed. Oh no. Oh, I probably scratched the inside of the thing too. Oh well, it's gonna take a beating. It'll look antique.